In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this epic fantasy sky using only CapCut. First, you need a video clip of nature. Ideally, you want to use one with clear sky. So open up CapCut. If you don't have CapCut yet, you can download it for free with the link in the description. Create a new project and import the main clip, drag it onto the timeline. Next is import the picture of the earth. You can easily find this either on Google or on Pixels. Drag it onto the timeline, place it into the beginning of the clip and drag this to the end of the clip so it has the same length as the video clip. Next is come to crop, click crop, and then we can crop out the bottom a little bit. Click confirm. Next is we can resize this by dragging this out. We can rotate it and then we can position this onto the sky. And next is come to mask on the upper right hand side. Click split, drag this down, and then we can drag this arrow up to create a nice mask. And as you can see, this is not as smooth, so we can just come adjust this by clicking on the image and adjust this line to go up a little. So this will make it more smooth. And next, import a picture of the moon, drag it onto the timeline, make sure that it's the same length. We can also crop this, so then we can move it a little bit easier. Confirm. We can resize this and then drag to the left corner. Then come to basic, under blend, click here and choose brighten, and then come to opacity and turn this down to about 75 so that it blends in better with the image. And let's see the final result.